I'm so happy that you guys love them. There have been a lot of people asking if this is photoshopped. Obviously, I'm real. They're real. As you can see, I'm moving them. They're not photoshopped. They are definitely real, and they are booming, big, and beautiful. So I just want to show you guys a couple of my secrets. Some of you have asked what my secrets are. And first off, it's starting off with a good potting soil. I use the Jolly Gardener potting soil. I get it from Wayne's Daughters Greenhouses. It's amazing. I add new potting soil every year. You can find that in our videos on the Lawrence Network, youtube.com/c/the Lawrence Network. Now the other thing I do is I use water-soluble fertilizer every 7 to 10 days through the water. So that way it really hits the root systems perfectly. I use Jack's Bloom Booster. All right, so that's the fertilizer that I use to keep everything looking nice and blooming great all season long. Now the biggest question was, what is in these guys? All right, so I'm gonna quickly go through and point and show you guys what each variety is so you can get your little lists ready for next season. Already I know, but if you're garden crazy and if you love this, I know that you'll write down your favorite varieties for next season. So let's get started. This one up here is a Coleus. This is by the Proven Winners, and this one is called French Quarters. It's beautiful, but it can easily take over. Window boxes and any containers need maintenance. The maintenance for this one is, since it takes over a lot of things, I just go ahead and I pinch it back quite often, probably once a week. That's how crazy it can get. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this entire stalk. Don't get scared, it's not gonna kill it. It's only gonna keep it from taking over everything else. Everything else, like this big begonia over here, that's literally its name. It's called Big Begonia, and it's the color rose. It's beautiful. It was a late start, but now that it's going, it's looking really good. All right, so right here, this is a big question too. What are these guys? So you guys, this is just an easy seed variety, a bedding annual called Blue Victoria Salvia, and it's really inexpensive. I got it in a 4-pack, and it was only like $1, like 59 or something like that. So for 4 plants, all 4 of these for only under $2, okay? And now the next thing are these Profusion Zinnias. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're the color orange, and those are also in that inexpensive pack for 4 plants in one. All right, and then over here, I've got my bright coral, Pinto Coral seed geraniums, which I have them kind of throughout in there. And those are only 99 cents for a geranium because they're not the cut geranium. Cut geraniums are more expensive. Seed geraniums, 99 cents, you guys, okay? So that's awesome. All right, another thing here are my wave petunias. Wave petunias, 99 cents. They are just as beautiful as a super tunia. There are a few differences, but in a window box for 99 cents, you can't go wrong, okay? So here we go. Over here is another question. You guys are like, what is that beautiful blue trailing in there? That is Scaevola. That is also by Proven Winners. So that comes with a little bit more of a price tag, but as you can see, it's well worth it, and there's 3 of those guys in there as well. Over in here, I just have some Vinca vines, and these were actually free because all I did was take cuttings off of some of my other Vinca vines from other planters, and when those cuttings started taking root, I just planted those small little plugs in there, and that's what's starting to pop through now. So there you have it, you guys. Those are my window boxes. Those are the varieties. It was around $60 to create. That doesn't include the potting soil, and that's what I do. I also, in the beginning, I add a time-release fertilizer by Osmocote, and that lasts anywhere from 3 to 6 months, but that's only your backup plan. That is not the only fertilizer you need to use all season long. So there you have it. My secrets, my combination, everything. There you go, you guys. Have an awesome night.